You are welcome back. In the last video, I told you we can use matrix method to solve simultaneous equations. So here is another method. We call it determinant method, and you can also call it Cramer's rule. So this is how we are going to use it. Consider the equations a11x plus a12y is equal to c1, equation 1, and this is another equation, and we name it equation 2. So, like we did in the matrix method, so we are going to write it in the form of matrix. So you write the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of x is the second equation, and coefficient of y is the second equation. So write x, y is equal to c1, c2. Now, let's call this one equation to go on. So, from here, we can now say that let A to be equal to, that is matrix A to be equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Then, let X be equal to X, Y. Then, let C be equal to C1, C2. So, from here, so our this equation 1, we can write it as X is equal to B, and we want to find X. Now the next thing that we want to do here now is that we are going to find determinant of A. So let's find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of A11, A12, A21, A22, which is equal to A11, A22 minus A12, A21. So you keep that one. Now we need to find, for us to find this small letter x and small letter y, this is what we need to do. So you find determinant of A now in terms of x. How do we do that? What you are going to do now is that the constants, that is the constant C1, C2, you are going to replace it with this column of x column here. So that is, we want to replace A11 by C1, you replace A21 by what? C2. So this becomes C1, C2. So this A12 remains and A22 remains as well. Now find the determinant. Is equal to C1 A22 minus C2 A12. So you keep that one. Also, we need to find determinant of A in respect to Y. Now, do the same for that one as well. Now, you are going to write A11, it remains, A21 remains. What changes here will be, you replace A12 by C1. So replace this by C1. Replace A22 by C2. C2. So the determinant will be A11 C2 minus A21 C1. So to find x, our x will now be equal to determinant of A with respect to x divided by determinant of A. So which will be determinant of A with respect to x is C1 A22 minus C2 A12 divided by determinant of A will be A11 A22 minus A12 A21. So to find your y, will also be determinant of A with respect to y divided by determinant of A, which is A11 C2 minus A12 A21C1 divided by A11A22 minus A12A21. So that is how to find solution of simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. So let's solve examples. Use the determinant method to solve the simultaneous equations. 5x plus 2y is equal to 17, equation 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 3, equation 2. So solution, let's write this equation in the matrix form. So we have matrix, this one will be 5, 2, 2 minus 3. Then we have x, y, and we also have 17, 3. That is for the constants. Now, let this be matrix A. So let's find determinant of A to be 5, 2, 2 minus 3. So it will be equal to minus 3 multiplied by 5 minus 15, then minus 2 multiplied by 2, 4. That is what? Minus 19. That means determinant of A is minus 19. So let's find determinant of A with respect to x. So I told you this first column to be changed by, with the constants, that is 17, 3. So 2 minus 3, they remain. So find the determinants. 17 multiplied by 3, that is minus 51. Then minus 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So we have what? Minus 57. After doing that one, I need to find determinants of A with respect to y, which will be the first column remains. So the second column will be changed with the constant 17, 3. So find the determinant of this one. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. Minus 2 multiplied by 17, 34. And that is what? Minus 19. So that's the determinant of A with respect to y. Now to find x, it will be equal to determinant of A with respect to x divided by determinant of A. Well, so what's the determinant of A with respect to x? That is minus 57. Minus 57. So divided by minus 19, that is determinant of A is equal to minus 19. So minus cancel minus. How many 9 can I get here? That is 3. So minus cancel minus, here 1, here 3. So to find y, to be equal to determinant of A with respect to y divided by determinant of A, which will be minus 19 divided by minus 19. So they cancel each other. 1. Thus, this solution of the simultaneous equation, the solutions are x equals 3 and y equals 1. Can you see? Very simple.